Well, the Commerce Minister Anand Sharma has set up debate number 2 perfectly, and joining us this evening for that debate, Ami Yagnik from the Congress, Lord Meghnad Desai, economist, and also Prakash Javadekar, national spokesperson of the BJP. Sukhendra Shekhar Roy of the Trinamool Congress will be joining us in just a bit, and Gagan Sethi of the Jan Vikas and Centre for Social Justice also joining us. But Ami Yagnik, the question to you is, it's on the DIPP website. Anand Sharma there, the Commerce Minister, said that the Accenture or the private firm was commissioned by the Commerce Ministry to tabulate 3 reports, and they've put it up on the government website. How can the government say we've got nothing to do with it?
See, I think you are just getting everything very, very wrong.
How so?
When the consultant is appointed, he might not be a completely technical expert on one subject as a whole. So this study, which is put on the DIPP website, I think you are right when you are saying it is on the website. But what does it say? It is having a compilation of the best practices of all the states in the country.
So land acquisition is one of them.
Certificate to one particular state.
No, land acquisition is one of them. And Gujarat is quoting that they have got a thumbs up in that matter.
Yes.
So,
yes, but that Gujarat is saying, and so now the parameters which are put on the website will be getting a response from everybody, and there will be inputs on the website by everybody, and you will see the objections that come to this parameter from the Gujarat state itself, because you talk about the
as of now they have got a thumbs up and it's on the DIPP website.
Lines given by private arrangement. No, they are not. They are just parameters and showing what the Gujarat government has given to these people. They might not be the complete truth. So by that standard, the parameter has come on record of the
Ms. Yagnik, by that argument, the question, that comes up is why commission such a report in the first place? If you're going to question the veracity of the claims made in the report, if you're going to say the consultant hired has no expertise, then what's the point of hiring such a person? What's the point of commissioning the report in the first place?
1 minute. Yes. I think you are jumping straightway to the end and the finality. You please listen to me very carefully. There are 3 components. Each one is doing its study by itself and giving it to Accenture, that is CII, FICCI and the Planning Commission and the Deloitte report. Each one is putting their report to giving to this study, and this study is placed on the website. Now you please understand, there will be objections, there will be recommendations, there will be suggestions, there will be inputs by each state on this. Now what has gone into the parameters will be looked into. This is not the final report. It's a work in progress, and possibly it might be the first stage. But then also Maharashtra stands first.
Ms. Yagnik, our only submission is till the time there is a counter to it. This report stands on the DIPP website, and if the Gujarat government is taking credit for a thumbs up given by the centre on one of its land acquisition policies, for which it's been getting criticism from Rahul Gandhi itself, is there anything wrong in that, Lord Meghnad Desai? Hasn't the government scored a little bit of a self-goal here till it is overturned?
First, let me answer.
Ms. Yagnik, I'll come to you. We'll just listen to Lord Desai and I'll come back to you.
I think Accenture is a top-class company, and the government should not go around insulting it, first of all. I think they did a very good thing in commissioning Accenture. Accenture, from what I can see, from the summaries I've read, has written a good report. More than Gujarat has been praised, Maharashtra has been praised, Rajasthan has been praised. Now, why does the government trash a report? Which is good thing. It's a good thing it has done. They appreciate many more states' work. It just happens to be that Gujarat is rated highly for its land acquisition policy, which is something people have known in the profession for a long time. This is not news. We all have known how good and transparent Gujarat's land policy is, and it has nothing whatsoever to do with whether they gave land to Adani or not, because everybody gave land to Adani in Gujarat, Congress and BJP and everybody. So let's leave Adani's out of this. Why doesn't the government say that here they are doing something positive to encourage good practice for India's development, rather than getting into trashing the report just because it has praised Gujarat? I mean, this,
No,
this
also,
is childish.
Lord Desai, even as you were saying that, Ami Yagnik was, she was quoting the other states that have been lauded in this report. Yes, Ami Yagnik was talking about Haryana, she was talking about Karnataka and talking about some of the states that have been lauded on other yardsticks in this very report, when suddenly the report becomes acceptable.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Yes.
I'm not
Yes.
against you.
And
I'm
which
not
land
against you. I'm not
policy?
for anybody.
There are several
I'm saying
judgments which have given
Department of
directives.
Commerce
Which land
has done a good
policy?
thing.
Let us go to
Ministry
the
of Commerce
parameters
has
and
done
the
a good
report.
thing. Ministry of Commerce
still
should
a
boast about it.
continuous
Ministry of
process.
Commerce should boast about it. They have done something good. Anand Sharma should take pride in how nicely his ministry has arrived at this conclusion, and I think he should say this is
But it
UPA
has not
to
yet
doing
arrived
its best to
at any
encourage
conclusion.
economic growth, rather
It's a
than say
private report
nothing to do with
still on
us, we didn't do this, these guys are trash. It is so pitiable. It is pitiable.
Yes, Mr. Javadekar.
Childish behavior.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Javadekar.
And it is self-destructive.
I really, my first point,
Lord
besides
Meghnad Desai, please wait.
technicality,
Yes, Mr. Javadekar.
whether Congress, besides technicalities, my first question to Congress is whether it regards Gujarat as part of India or not. Because they are talking like it is in Pakistan.
That is for you to answer,
I mean,
Mr. Javadekar.
you should be
That is
happy.
for you to
One
answer, not
minute,
for the
one
Congress.
minute. No, you
you have to
don't.
answer
I have
whether
not
Gujarat
interrupted
is
you.
India or not.
I have not interrupted you. I have not interrupted
Miss
you.
Yagnik,
might be
let him make his point.
You are
Miss
insulting-
Yagnik,
That is
let
fine.
Mr.
You are
Javadekar make his
insulting
point.
continuously.
Yeah, yes, Mr. Javadekar.
See, Congress is continuously insulting 6 crore Gujaratis, but more than importantly, let me tell you what is written in DIPP website. It says that the DIPP has engaged Messrs. Accenture to conduct a study on improving the business environment, not for tabulation. So that is number one. Number two, you should be really proud, and as Lord Meghnad Desai is saying, is absolutely right. The Commerce Ministry of India should be happy that one state is doing something good in one parameter, somebody is another. You are asking best practices to be shared by all. I would be happy if we are in government and if Andhra Pradesh or if Maharashtra state becomes a good practice for on some parameters, we should be happy. When you contest, you are doing politics. And
But
this
Mr.
politics
Javadekar,
bringing in business
Mr.
environment is
Javadekar,
what has rotten,
before
what has
we get the
destroyed,
Congress
which
spokesperson
has-
to
no, one
answer
minute.
your question.
No, 1 minute. No,
No,
one
why
minute.
don't you answer
No,
the
1
first
minute.
question to the
You are-
BJP
you're
first?
very-
The moot point here is
no,
that
but
the
I'm
Congress
answering.
and the government is saying that we do not endorse this report. This report has been submitted to the DIPP, but that does not mean it's the government stand. And the allegation is that the BJP is tom-tomming this report to try and confuse the voters. First, give us your response to that.
No, who has prohibited other states to say if something good has been said about them? Is it not democratic right of every state? What is this? See, one
But
should really
the question is
and
that
say
the
all
BJP
these
is saying
best
the government
practices.
in
One
its
minute,
own report is lauding the Gujarat government. The government is distancing itself from the report, saying it's not a government report, neither does it
But
have
that
the
is
endorsement.
wrong. On the
Yeah,
website,
so answer that first.
on the website, what is written is the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion has engaged Accenture to conduct a study on improving the business environment in India. It is not that government has to accept the report or not. They are telling the story, and when they are telling the story, you should be happy. And we are not saying that all parameters only Gujarat is ahead and no other state is doing. We are saying Gujarat is doing good thing in land acquisition, which you are blaming, Yuvraj was blaming, and that is what has hurt you. The real issue is that the land acquisition policy in Gujarat gives farmers a fair price, a remunerative price, plus gives jobs, increases the state domestic production,
Right. Mr.
increases
Javadekar.
the employment in the state, and so all put together, this is how the business.
Mr. Javadekar, I think Gagan Sethi had a counter to you.
This is a good practice which all should.
I request you
Yeah.
to just take a listen to what Gagan Sethi has to say. Yeah, and Lord Meghnad Desai, I'll come
Yes.
back to you after that.
Tell
Yes,
me.
Mr. Sethi.
Javadekar, would you like the good,
Yeah.
Mr. Javadekar, would you like the good practice of selling government land which includes Gauchar land for 1 rupee per square meter and sell 2 lakh square meters and for 2 lakh rupees.
When did that happen, Mr. Gagan Sethi? When did that happen?
Agricultural land.
When did that happen?
Barren land.
When did that happen?
That was.
If you please quote a time-bound exercise. Did it happen when Narendra Modi was the chief minister? Did it happen when Narendra Modi was the chief minister? Mr. Gagan Sethi?
Between 2005,
supporting it.
between 2005 and 2014, I have paid 44 rupees from our RTI to get this information. I would have got 44 square meters of land by those standards. And remember that they have said that this is barren land. Today, 4 movements on the ground are going on.
I come from Maharashtra and I can tell you, Gagan, Mr. Gagan, I can tell you, in Maharashtra, many industries have been given free land free. And that is not bad. That is not bad. That is what I am saying.
Whose land? Gauchar land which cannot be given.
Government's land and farmers' land.
There are
government's land and farmers' land also.
It is panchayat land. It is not government land.
But that is what I am saying. In Maharashtra also, there are Maharashtra. I can tell you hundreds of cases of Maharashtra. I can tell you hundreds of cases of Maharashtra on the same line. But I am not criticizing. That is the issue.
But Mr. Sethi, you know, the issue here is that a neutral body, Accenture, which the government is saying, okay, private body has submitted this report. Accenture's report categorically lauds the Gujarat government on this land acquisition policy. You may bring up facts, but we're talking about this report right now, and this particular report is actually giving plus points to the Gujarat government for its land acquisition policy. And as Lord Meghnad Desai has already said, you know, it's a sound assessment.
What is wrong? What is the problem with Congress?
It talks of practice. It talks of practices. It is inviting comments. And remember, comments are coming in March.
Lord Desai, we'll just come to you. Let Mr. Sethi just finish what he's saying. Lord Meghnad Desai will come to you next. Yes, Mr. Sethi, just finish what you're saying.
Lord Desai, you come to the ground, I will take you area after area, and you will see how Rabaris, which you know very well as a community, are extremely dissatisfied because their grazing lands are gone. They may not be fit for agriculture, but I'm a professional economist. Animal husbandry was there.
I am a professional economist. I know about these things. Now, Accenture is a impartial international referee. They have evaluated Maharashtra very nicely, they evaluated Karnataka nicely, Rajasthan and Gujarat. It just so happens that in one case of Gujarat you don't like Accenture report because you don't like Modi. There's nothing to do with the report. You don't like Gujarat because you don't like Modi. Now, why are you politicizing a perfectly good report?
We are
It's a
Gujarati,
good
we are more
report.
than what he is saying.
You know, PM Trinamool wrecked West Bengal's industrial development by sending Singur away. Gujarat welcomed Singur, and that showed that Gujarat is a good land policy. Now, why don't you accept that you lost? And this is a good report. Come on.
Now, you know, you've made your point, Lord Desai, but Mr. Javadekar, you know, here's the question to you and the BJP. What is with this strategic and selective interpretation and selection and you know, just packaging certain aspects to the people? If you are going to laud the achievements and laud a particular report, shouldn't be more comprehensive, and shouldn't you also highlight the criticism and also the fact that Gujarat is not at number one? It is behind some of the Congress ruled states, even as far as the land acquisition policy. So can the BJP walk out and tom-tom the report so much and claim so much of credit? Is it fair? Because, you know, the interpretation and the projection is very selective.
1 minute. What are the facts which are come out of this report? There are 5 reports. And what they tell the story is the same. That farmers are given good price. The land is acquired in no time and with all processes completed with full efficiency. The employment to the family.
But it is happening more in some of the other states.
1 minute.
In
1
certain
minute.
parameters,
1
Gujarat
minute.
is
1
low,
minute.
even
Why
in these
you are-
issues.
1 minute.
Yeah,
Why
yeah.
you are not allowing me to
Go ahead,
complete one sentence?
go ahead, sir.
So, the environmental clearances, which is the stumbling block in many states, is not there because they are taking simultaneously, all processes are started and they are completed in record time. This is what business wants. And this is a good policy. All states should do it. And Gujarat learns from other states also. Gujarat or Modi never says that they are the ultimate and they don't want to learn from anybody else. On the other hand, they have taken 108 from other states, but they implemented it fine. The BRT was the central idea, but they implemented it the best way. There are many central government 20-point programs which are not Gujarat conceived. They are conceived by Congress rule, but they are best implemented in Gujarat. So that being the case, it should be the approach of development. And why anybody will not advertise his good work being published by somebody and
No, but
certified by
Mr.
some
Javadekar,
private
the
agencies
question
or
that
third
Anand
party.
put to you was, is the BJP being selective when it comes to what they've decided to come out with? You know, the thing is that it's not Gujarat that's been singled out for praise, even as far as land acquisition is concerned. There are other Congress-ruled states, as Ami Yagnik, reminded us, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, these states have also been talked about, and there are several parameters in which Gujarat is lagging behind also. I mean, there are several parameters like
But
poverty
so,
alleviation,
who has
FDI
stopped-
inflows, unemployment rate. So is
stopped-
the BJP
1
being
minute.
selective when it decides to talk about one particular thing that they've been sort of given a pat on the back for?
1 minute. Have we said anything false? Have we said anything which is not in the report as a report? Have we said why? Who has stopped Guda to advertise his own success?
No, the
Who
issue,
has,
Mr. Javadekar,
stopped
is about
Maharashtra
selective
government
interpretation
to
and
advertise
selective
their-
projection of the truth. You know, that's
No,
the
it
issue.
is not
That's the-
interpretation. Every state will take out the portion of which is relevant to their state and advertise.
You know,
what
the
is bad
criticism
in
is
it.
also relevant. The criticism is also relevant. The fact that you are failing in some of the other parameters
But
and lacking in the other also is also punching holes
No.
into the so-called Gujarat model of development.
They are not saying.
So why isn't
they
that
are
being
not
highlighted and saying,
lacking.
listen, this
But
is where we are
Gujarat,
wrong and we need to improve these measures?
Because you made a political, because Rahul Gandhi, without knowing the reports, without knowing the facts, just went on a Modi-head campaign and destroyed the whole
Well,
investment
that's the
cycle.
issue. That's the issue, Ami Yagnik.
This
That's
is
the
exactly
issue. The
what you were
counter
saying.
to tom-tom this land acquisition policy is to
Yes.
counter the toffee wala with the trophy issue. That is the issue, and that
Exactly.
is where
Now let me
the
tell you
question
that.
is whether or not the government has scored a self goal.
No, that
That
is,
was sponsored
I will
one.
just give you 3 points. One is you are absolutely right because they need to answer some questions and very tough questions. When we are talking about best practices and we are talking about this Accenture study, it is based on the bases are from 3 reports which are coming from CII, FICCI and the Planning Commission. Now all this put together is on the DIPB website. Now there will be many people who will ask also about the parameters. Now especially when you are taking and picking selectively and conveniently about land policy because you want to make a point to the people of this country that, well, here are best practices in Gujarat, but you
that
have
is
not
correct.
taken into consideration
But what is
to tell
wrong?
the truth to the people.
But
Well,
what
no,
is wrong?
let me complete. Let me complete,
What
please.
is wrong?
No, let me complete, please. Let me complete, please. I think you should be aware of the judgment of the Apex Court in a recent judgment of 2014 where the Supreme Court said that the
Where are you
Revenue
going, Ms.
Minister,
Ami
Ms.
Yagnik?
Anandi Patel and the collector has given
Ms.
a go-by
Yagnik?
to the statute
Miss
in
Yagnik,
revenue
where are you
matters,
going?
in land matters.
Please come back to the
So
debate.
you have to, no.
It's about this report which is there
That
on the
is the
DIPP
debate.
website, and why
Are
did you
these
put it if you have
inputs-
issues with it?
Are these inputs? No, but this is a continuous progress. You are putting it on the website. Let everything come. There is no finality. There is no endorsement. Why are you not understanding the point? There's a distortion of
Supreme
this
Court.
fact that
Supreme
there he has
Court.
been given an
Tell
Accenture
me.
report, and so you.
Yagnik,
Ms. Yagnik,
Madam,
we are
just
going to
tell
get
me,
Lord
you
Meghnad
made-
Desai's response
you
to
made
that.
1 minute.
We're going to get
Yes.
Lord Meghnad Desai's response to that and also Prakash Javadekar. But
No,
we're going
just
to
1
have to
minute.
take a very short break here. I'd request
Yeah.
all our guests to just
Yes,
stay on
yes,
with
yes,
us.
yes,
We'll
yes.
be right back and continue talking about this.